Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video on my YouTube channel. Friends, today guys we are going to talk about guys how to disconnect Wi-Fi network in our Tecno phone. Friends, you want to disconnect guys your Wi-Fi network in your Tecno phone. So friends, you can disconnect. And friends, now let's see how to disconnect Wi-Fi network in our Tecno phone. In this video, friends, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you guys if you're in my channel. So friends, first of all, go and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon, like my video. Friend, first of all, open your phone setting to disconnect your Wi-Fi. So as you can see Wi-Fi settings, so guys click on your Wi-Fi setting friends. So friends, you can see guys we have connected this Mukesh Wi-Fi. So I want to disconnect this network. So guys press on Wi-Fi network. Then guys you can see disconnect option. So guys tap here to disconnect. So Wi-Fi network will disconnect in your Tecno phone guys. So if you want to connect again, so you will have to turn on only Wi-Fi. It will connect automatic. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect Wi-Fi network in our Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching the video guys.